Kayla, you're my best friend, my favorite person in the world, and the best thing that has ever happened to me. From the moment that we met and during the hours we spent talking that night, I knew that you were the one for me. I vow to love you with all my heart, unconditionally, and promise to you that my love for you will never fade away. I can't wait to be your husband and to officially start the rest of our lives together. You're the most kind, caring, generous, honest, beautiful, and loving person that I know. Today is the most important day of our life, and I stand here with you, vowing myself to you forever. I vow to be the best husband that I can be. We've had a lot of good times and made a lot of lifetime memories that I will never forget, and I can't wait to continue making more memories with you, including today and every day for the rest of our lives.
Nathan and Kayla, by the love that has brought you here today, and by the vows and the rings you have exchanged in the presence of your loved ones, and it is my delight and honor to pronounce you husband and wife. Nathan, you've kissed your girlfriend, you've kissed your fiance, and now you may kiss your bride.
Nathan, the first moment I saw you, I swiped right. I used to think I wasn't worthy of a love like this, but you have shown me over and over again that I deserve it and that I have found it in you. You truly are my better half, and we balance each other out so well. You inspire me daily with your drive and dedication for your work and helping others, especially those who you love most. I'm proud of us for how far we've come and how much we've grown. I'm also proud of who you are, and even prouder to be the woman that gets to marry you, cheer you on, and love you for the rest of your life. I promise to always love you fiercely and protect you the best that I can. I promise to you my loyalty, trust, and unwavering, unconditional love. I will love you for better or worse, in planting and in harvest. And I promise that while it may often seem like I love Zuki, Colby, and Hank more than you, you are my one true love. Nathan, I have loved you through every tractor ride and every pig show, every trip for cheese curds and ice cream, and every moment, big and small, in between. I have loved you for the last 1,555 days, and I vow to love you for all the rest of them.